Here's the movie about the Yeti saving a doctor, which you can create for free with my master prompt blueprint plus Google Veo 3.
Is anyone out there? Come on, stay calm. You can do this. Please, anyone, I'm trapped.
Battery's dying.
Is someone there? Oh my God.
I will get you out.
You're saving me. You did it. They're here.
Be safe, little one.
And have you seen this? Channels like Yeti Vlog Life, BigFootBoyz, A World According to AI, and Yeti Vlogs are pulling millions of views across TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram, all using AI-generated faceless videos about Yeti. You might be thinking, wait, this looks like Pixar-level animation, but these aren't studios. These are solo creators using nothing but AI. And here's the wild part. With the brand new Google Veo 3 update, the credit system just changed. It now costs 1/5 of what it did before to generate videos. That means you can now produce up to 50 fully animated clips every single month, with just one free account of using Google Veo 3 Pro. This gives you the perfect opportunity to start building your own faceless viral channel, just like these creators. But I'm not stopping there. In this full masterclass, I give you my complete Veo 3 master prompt blueprint that I used to create a Yeti movie from scratch. The exact prompt structures, scene breakdowns, and AI scripting formulas that let you create any niche: Yeti vlog, UFO explorer, panda survivalist, alien influencer, you name it. Build consistent characters using Google Flow probability, ensuring your Yeti or any custom character stays visually perfect across your entire video. Hook viewers with viral storytelling, emotional pacing, and cinematic scenes that are highly shareable. And you don't need expensive gear. You don't need animation experience. You just need the right AI master prompts and strategy, and that's exactly what I'm showing you today. If you want to learn how to create a consistent and viral movie for free, and get a chance to receive my exclusive master movies for free as well, then don't forget to like and subscribe. Watch until the end to discover how to craft a Hollywood-style film with strong, consistent characters, and unlock your bonus, my free master prompt. Let's dive in. Now, before we start creating those viral videos, we need the best and free tool to grow your faceless channel. A lot of people ask me, how did you even get free access to Google Veo 3 for 15 months? Well, here's the short version. Google's AI Pro plan, which includes Veo 3, normally costs over $300 for 15 months. But I figured out how to unlock it for free until mid-2026. The catch? It's only officially available in countries like the US, Japan, the UK, Brazil, and a few others. And you have to meet Google's eligibility requirements. Most people outside of these regions will see the "not eligible" message when they try to sign up. But after much testing, I found a complete method that works for people from all countries. You need a VPN, but not just any VPN, because most of them fail at Google's payment step. You need a temporary student email to pass Google's verification, and you'll need a special payment setup with a virtual card and the correct US zip code. I won't go into all the steps here because it's a bit advanced, but if you want to see my full step-by-step guide showing exactly how I unlocked 15 months of Google AI Pro with Veo 3 for free, check out my earlier full tutorial video, link in my description. Now, let me walk you through a quick demo using my brand new account and show you the easiest way to get Google Veo 3 free for 1 full month. No hacks, no complicated steps. Just a simple official offer from Google that works in most countries. What's the deal? Google is currently offering a free 1-month trial of the AI Pro plan. This includes full access to Veo 3 1,000 free credits. Each video clip costs just 20 credits, which means you can create up to 50 videos during the trial. Here's how to activate it step by step. Log into your Google account or create a new one if you prefer. Go to Google Labs or directly to the Veo 3 subscription page. Click Subscribe under the AI Pro plan. Add a payment method. Credit or debit card is fine. Confirm your subscription. Don't worry. Google will not charge you for the first month. You can cancel before the month ends and avoid any charges. That's it. You'll instantly get 1,000 free credits valid for 30 days and full access to Google Veo 3. No tricks, no waiting. In the next part, I'll show you exactly how to use those credits to create your first AI-powered video, plus my top tips to help you get stunning, cinematic results fast. Now, let's look at why the Yeti niche is really exploding right now, and why it could be one of the smartest niches you can get into right now. The Yeti, also known as the Yeti Snowman, appeals to a deep human curiosity. Ancient myths, hundreds of years of unsolved mysteries, endless debates. Is he real? Is he a fake? Constant viral potential. Every new sighting spreads like wildfire. You're not just making videos, you're building intrigue, suspense, and stories. And that's what the YouTube algorithm loves for viewer engagement. Let's take a look at some real channels that are succeeding in this niche. It's happening right now, with real viral channels attracting millions of viewers every month. Here are some Instagram channels. Yeti's Vlog channel, with 97 posts and 20,000 followers. It has a lot of videos with more than 10 million views. Or Yeti Vlogs channel with 41 posts and 183,000 followers with lots of viral videos. Here are a few more like Yeti Vlog Life or Yeti Vlogs channel with only a few videos going viral and making a lot of money. Let's explore some TikTok channels like Yeti Vlog Life, BigFootBoyz, Yeti Vlogs. As you can see with a few videos, these channels have around 4 to 5 million likes, around 300,000 to 500,000 followers, and many of these videos have more than 1 million views. And what about YouTube platforms like the channel A World According to AI? They only post videos per week and all of them have more than 100,000 views and get a lot of money for it. And this niche idea is an easy way to create faceless content. You don't have to show your face. Just use AI tools like Google Veo 3 for cinematic footage, ChatGPT, Claude for writing scripts, CapCut, Pictory, and video for editing. Here, 99% of people fail with Google Veo 3, but you don't. Most people just type, "create a Yeti movie," and they get garbage. The real secret to viral AI movies? It's about giving Google Veo 3 the perfect prompt with maximum cinematic focus. I'm about to show you my 2-step prompt system that you can use to turn your Yeti content into real viral movies. And the best part? You can use this method for any niche: UFOs, pandas, dinosaurs, dragons, anything. First, decide which niche you want to create an idea video in. In this tutorial, I'm going to use the Yeti niche because this niche is so viral right now. Just copy my first prompt, create 10 viral movie ideas, and paste it into any AI tool like ChatGPT, Grok, or DeepSeek. I paste it into the ChatGPT text box and replace the topic idea with Yeti. Then hit enter, and you'll have 10 viral video ideas to use for your next AI video master prompt. Tips for you. Use this step whenever you're looking for content ideas. Then you'll never run out of viral topics again. Now select any idea from the ChatGPT of prompt 1 and paste it into the next master prompt to turn an idea into a full script for Veo 3. Go back to my master prompt and copy the second prompt and paste it into the ChatGPT text box. But before you enter it, make sure you enter the idea from prompt 1. Now hit enter and watch the professional video script that covers everything for you. But you can see that these details can get messed up with the AI tool when it comes to consistency of characters, colors, and tones. That's why I'm giving you another bonus prompt that you can use to combine your ideas into a perfect prompt, so Google Veo 3 can create a viral video for you. Just copy and paste and it's perfect. By feeding Veo 3 with these detailed cinematic instructions, you will no longer generate random AI clips. You create real viral mini-movies. Bonus secret. How to use this master blueprint for unlimited niches. What I just showed you for Yeti.
What is this strange,
You can immediately
beautiful
apply
thing?
it to any niche.
This-
Example, a topic like UFO aliens where your potential audience is a large science fiction fan base.
Okay,
Panda
time to noodle up.
Adventures and your potential audience is a family-friendly viral reach. Or Loch Ness Monsters for lovers of mythical creatures, or Dragon Kingdoms for lovers of epic fantasy and more. Here's why these prompts work so well for creating consistent, high-quality visuals with VEO3. Start with character consistency. Always describe the outfit, lighting, and camera angle to keep your character looking the same across scenes. Next, focus on your setting. The more detailed your background, the more stable and believable your world becomes. Veo uses that to maintain continuity. Use cinematic terms like 8K, hyper-realistic, or cinematic lighting to signal that you want a polished, film-quality result. Point of view angles are powerful too. Describing scenes from a character's perspective makes viewers feel part of the story. And finally, keep prompts simple. Too much detail can confuse VEO. Focused actions eats a cleaner, stronger visuals. Put it all together, and you've got the formula for a viral, Hollywood-style video. This complete script is divide the script into 8-second scenes, generate each scene with a consistent prompt style, and use the same character description for all scenes. This breakdown is exactly what Veo Flow needs for a consistent presentation. So use this prompt to get the maximum result out of Veo 3. If you want my full master prompt, like, subscribe, and comment on Master Prompt VEO 3, and I'll give you the link to download it. And don't forget, if you missed out on how to access Google Veo 3 for free for 15 months, check out my previous tutorial. Just follow the link in the description. Okay, now let's take a look at how you can create unified videos with multiple scenes using Google Veo 3 Flow. If you don't know how to use the Google Veo 3 intelligently, this AI tool can make mistakes here. The characters change their appearance between scenes. The Yeti suddenly gets bigger or changes its fur color. The scenes do not match the color palette or tone. The emotions are not consistent. This is where my Google Veo 3 master prompt becomes your best friend. In the last step, I already created your detailed multi-scene script in 12-point format about Yeti movies. Open the Google Veo 3 Flow interface. Before you create your first video, you should start a new project. This not only makes it easier for you to work on your video, but also ensures that AI understands your video better and that the different scenes of your video are presented with a consistent character. Go back to ChatGPT, copy one scene at a time and paste it here. Choose the number of videos. I chose 1 to save my credits. And the game changes here. Choose the model Veo 3 Fast, text to video, to use a maximum of 1,000 credits. Hit enter and you'll see a video that looks just as good as this one. It's not 100% as high quality as the Veo quality model, but it's enough to create a faceless channel. Keep doing this with the next scene. And here's the trick to getting a complete video with consistent character. Read your scene carefully. If a character repeats, use the image from the last scene to create it for the next clip. Click on Add to Scene in the video in which you want to save the character. A new screen will appear. Click on the plus symbol and then on Save Frame as Asset to save your character template as a reference frame. Then click on one of the Jump to or Expand options in your character template frame. Paste the prompt here and press Enter. Look at how wonderfully consistent the characters are in the scenes. And here's another character in the video. If Veo Flow has issues with continuity, paste your saved character template back in as a reference before rendering. But sometimes this model doesn't work as well as we expected. Here's another tip you can use to make all the characters in the entire scene of your video consistent. Simply copy the description of the character from the previous scene and paste it after the character's name like this. If you have more characters, add all the character descriptions after each character's name. Here is the result of these tips. It is the perfect consistency of the characters in the different videos. Once Veo 3 has created all the clips for you, simply click on the download button for each clip and you can even upscale it to high quality for free. In the next step, you can edit all scenes together with CapCut. The difference between AI-generated videos and viral AI videos lies in the post-production. Now, simply import all scene clips into CapCut and you can use it for free. Drag and drop your exported Veo Flow scenes into a new CapCut project. Arrange them according to your original scene structure. Cut off awkward pauses. Adjust the scene transitions for a smoother flow. I use black. Add effects to make your video smoother. Add an adjustment layer and set this number to even out the color of the entire video. Add more music and sound effects if needed to make your video more interesting. Then export the video at 60 frames per second to make the AI movement smoother. This is the video you see at the beginning of my video. Now you have a fully consistent, cinematic, viral AI movie, ready for YouTube, TikTok, or monetized short films. When you combine this Veo Flow plus CapCut system with my formula for viral movie prompts, you can build an entire faceless YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram empire automatically. Okay, here is the quick start roadmap. 1. Pick your viral character niche. Yeti, Bigfoot, Panda, Alien, Robot, Dinosaur, etc. 2. Generate 10 viral ideas instantly using prompt 1. 3. Use prompt 2 to break each idea into detailed 8 to 20 scene scripts. 4. Build your scenes using Google Veo Flow with professional template consistency. 5. Edit the scenes into full viral videos with CapCut. 6. Post daily across multiple platforms. 7. Scale into multiple niches once your system is running. And more pro scaling tip for you. Once you master this full system, you're not limited to just Yeti. You can rapidly expand into dozens of viral niches such as UFO survival vlogs, alien jungle expeditions, dinosaur time travelers, panda kung fu school, robot cooking shows. Ready for the next level? Subscribe and comment. VO3 Master Prompt. I'll give you the link to my full Master AI movie prompt file to download. Now, you have the complete blueprint to build a fully automated viral AI movie business with Google Veo 3, with free tools, consistent characters, cinematic storytelling, and endless scalability, even outside the US.